Being a top earner in any network marketing doesn't come from the compensation plan. It doesn't come from the company you are even promoting. The product and services, any of these things doesn't change a single factor of whether or not you're going to make a lot of money or no money in network marketing. There are, however, 3 different things that you can do to ensure that you are in the top 10 earners in any network marketing company, regardless of how big or how small the company is. And as I've already shown you, I'm going to walk you through these strategies, and they work every single time because we have been the #1 earner in 2 of the network marketing companies we have promoted. 2 for 2 is a 100% success rate. I think you can trust that this will actually get you some results. But just keep in mind, this doesn't work for anyone or everyone unless you are willing to actually do the work. The biggest issue with network marketing and someone like you or who may not be like you is in network marketing there seems to be a nostalgia that it's super easy and you're going to get results super fast and you can make billions of dollars in not very much time. So if you're serious, you're dedicated, and you actually want to grow a real business, a real network marketing empire that grows and earns you tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands, and if possibly you can do what we can do and replicate it for yourself, generate yourself maybe even one day millions of dollars in sales in total, here's what to do step by step. Make sure you follow these strategies very, very closely and you use each and every single one because all of them are crucial for your success. Strategy #1 is actually a lesson that you must learn regardless of the industry you are in, regardless of the product and services you want to promote, regardless of the compensation plan. This changes everything. You must learn that the opportunity or the business you are promoting or the products that you are promoting will not set you free. They won't get you these watches, they won't get you these awards, they won't get you any of these things. The process of learning how to actually build your own real legit business with a network marketing company is what will set you free. And that process includes lead generation, turning those leads into customers, which is called conversion or conversion optimization, and management of your time, money, and resources. These are the 3 keys of knowing and mastering the process of growing a real business versus just being someone who's trying to get people into an opportunity to earn money, to use a good product and service, you name it. The old school way of doing network marketing doesn't work like it used to. Even online marketing isn't the same as it used to be. So #1, keep in mind, you're not going to find some miracle #1 best golden egg, golden goose that's going to get you everything you've ever wanted. That does not exist and will never exist. But what will set you free, both financially, time freedom, location freedom, and everything you want in life, you can achieve financially through mastering the process of learning how to actually do real marketing, generate leads, grow a business, manage those leads, etc. Which we will teach you in our network marketing team, our #1 network marketing team at backupyourmoney.com. Just go to backupyourmoney.com. Now let's move forward to #2. So if you actually want to be able to do these things, to travel the world, take care of your family, have unlimited time, location freedom, and basically just achieve your actual dreams, it comes down to #2. So listen very closely because this is what separates someone who earns a few hundred or maybe even a few $1,000s promoting any business, company, or network marketing opportunity from someone who earns hundreds of thousands or millions or tens of millions of dollars even per year. So what you need to do is #1 is you need to eliminate all of this and make sure you have one single direct focus, one single company or one single product or one single, you name it, you are promoting and focusing on generating as many leads and customers and growth as possible towards that one company. Because the biggest mistake we see in network marketing that above all else kills companies, will kill your income and destroy what you're building. If you want to become a diamond in network marketing, what it actually comes down to is focus and building one single company and one single income stream. Oh no, I just said what everyone else tells you not to do. Don't focus on one income stream. This is the biggest mistake you can make, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Because when you dilute your focus, your time, your efforts, and your money and your traffic to multiple different companies and multiple different income streams, you are actually losing money because you're not focused. People who are looking to join, become a lead, become a customer with you won't do so because you aren't focused on one dream and one vision. They'll go, oh, he's promoting this and that and that and this too. Why would I join him in anything? Because he can't even focus on building one solid income, dream, and opportunity and team. So please, I'm telling you, so you don't burn yourself, burn your income, and burn what you're able to make, your earning potential, promote and be a part of, and focus, hyper focus on building one single income stream with one single company. Otherwise, I guarantee you are going to lose money and you will never become a diamond or multi-diamond or multi-100,000 or multi-million-dollar earner in any company you promote. I guarantee that, because we don't know a single person who has, because the amount of lead flow, customer flow, traffic, attention, and energy, money has to first build up an income in one company or one opportunity or one, you name it, first, before you can start earning money from multiple income streams. That's how we got there, is we first solidified one single income stream to generate thousands of dollars every single month, and then and only then do you ever even come close to considering using and building another income stream. So we suggest at least $10,000 a month before you think about diversifying at all. Focus, hyper-focus, build one single company, one single income, $10,000 a month, and then consider diversifying. And number 3, the final thing you must know and actually apply in order to become a top earner in any network marketing company. It does not matter how big it is, how much money the earners at the top are already earning. You can surpass literally everyone and basically print on demand, customers, sales, earnings, you name it. The third thing you must do is create real duplication, which you'll see somewhere around here, somewhere in the link of this video, somewhere around here. I have a whole entire video training that's still on YouTube, completely free, on how to create true duplication in your business and in your team. And the reason why this is so important is because duplication in network marketing is the key to growth. Without you, your team, their teams, and so on and so forth, being able to actually generate real leads, real customers who actually want and who will use the product and service. Without that happening, you will stagnate. You will never actually be able to grow or scale your business regardless of how much money, time, or energy you pump and dump into it. That will equate no success for the long term. And this is where some work comes into play, where you need to actually learn and create either documents or a group or a way to connect with every single person coming into your team and their teams and infinitely down deep. A way to connect with these people and vice versa, also train and educate and work and build relationships with them. If you can do this, and you can do this on an actual intimate level, you can build a scalable team that will reach thousands of people within a few months, and tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands within a few years. And this is true. And I know it's true because we've done it in 2 different companies with a 100% success rate. We are, in fact, the #1 earners in just about anything and everything we have ever promoted in years of being in affiliate marketing, network marketing, consulting, you name it, because we know how to create duplication, and we follow the other 2 strategies I just walked you through. And if you want to learn more about each and every single one of these strategies in a lot more depth, I will include links in the description or somewhere around in or on this video for you to click and learn more about all of this and how to grow and scale your network marketing business with a lot more ease, with a lot more less stress, way less stress, and a lot more certainty on knowing step by step how to actually grow, monetize, and scale your network marketing business. And if you want to join our #1 team, just go to backupyourmoney.com. When you go to backupyourmoney.com and join our team, you'll get access to our own private group, all of our training, and a lot more. We still have to give to our community. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment and let me know what you actually thought of this video, of the training, and everything else I'm doing here on my channel. So I appreciate you, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Take care.